Have you ever wondered what the future of housing might look like? Imagine a world where houses are built not brick by brick, but layer by layer, using giant 3D printers. This is no longer a far-fetched idea. It's a reality that's rapidly changing the construction industry. 3D printed houses are emerging as a viable and exciting alternative to traditional building methods. These innovative homes are built using large-scale 3D printers that precisely deposit layers of a special concrete-like material. This process creates the walls and, in some cases, even the roof and other structural elements of the house. It's a bit like watching a giant cake being iced, except instead of frosting, we're building homes. This technology has the potential to revolutionize how we think about housing. It offers a faster, more efficient and potentially more affordable way to build homes, especially in areas with housing shortages. Let's delve into the fascinating world of 3D printed houses and explore how they might shape the future of building and living. So, what exactly is 3D printing, and how does it apply to building houses? In essence, 3D printing is a process of creating a three-dimensional object from a digital design. Imagine a regular printer, but instead of ink on paper, it uses materials like plastic, metal, or in this case, a special concrete mixture. The process begins with a digital blueprint of the house. This blueprint is fed into the 3D printer, which then follows the instructions to build the house layer by layer. The printer's nozzle moves precisely along a pre-programmed path, extruding the building material in thin layers. These layers stack on top of each other, gradually solidifying to form the walls and other structural components of the house. It's a bit like building a sandcastle with a very precise and automated hand. This technology allows for incredible precision and customization in the construction process. Architects and designers have much more freedom to create unique and complex shapes, pushing the boundaries of traditional architecture. One of the most exciting aspects of 3D printed houses is the potential for open-source designs. Imagine a world where architects and designers from all over the globe can share their house plans freely, making innovative and sustainable housing solutions accessible to everyone. This concept of open-source architecture is gaining traction in the 3D printing community. Platforms are emerging where designers can upload and share their blueprints for 3D printed houses, making these designs available to anyone with access to a 3D printer. This open-source approach fosters collaboration and innovation. It allows people to adapt and modify existing designs to suit their needs and preferences, creating a truly democratized approach to housing design. Imagine downloading the blueprints for your dream house and then customizing them with the help of a local architect, or even making modifications yourself. This open-source revolution in housing has the potential to empower individuals and communities to create the homes of their dreams. Let's take a closer look at the steps involved in building a 3D printed house. While the process may sound futuristic, it's actually quite straightforward and remarkably efficient compared to traditional construction methods. Preparation is key. The first step involves preparing the building site and laying a foundation. This is similar to traditional construction and ensures a stable base for the printed structure. Printing the walls. Once the foundation is ready, the 3D printing process begins. The giant printer, often mounted on a robotic arm, is positioned on the site and fed with the special concrete mixture, layer by layer. The printer follows the digital blueprint, depositing the concrete mix in thin layers to create the walls of the house. This process can take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on the size and complexity of the design, adding the finishing touches. After the walls are printed, windows, doors and roofing are installed. Interior and exterior finishes like plastering, painting and landscaping are added to complete the house. This streamlined process reduces the need for extensive manual labor and minimizes material waste, making it a much faster and more efficient way to build homes.